Hey guys, I'm going to visit my sister at Sibek. So you guys follow me and let's go there. I'm bored in the house alone, nobody. While we enjoy this vlog together, if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free, enjoy your stay. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and to you watching without subscribing, don't go without subscribing, and after subscribing, turn on your post notifications so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified to watch. So I'm actually at the junction trying to get a bike that will take me down to Sibek, and yeah, I found one. So this is me on the bike, struggling and trying to make you guys enjoy the vlog with me. Each time I'm going to my sister's place, the steps are always the first thing on my mind. I don't like climbing steps. Actually at the building, but climbing up is a problem. These steps are just too much to handle. So guys, yeah, I'm there, and I'm going to give you guys a view from here. Whew. Finally, I'm up. There's this view I always like when I'm at my sister's place, standing on her balcony. I just like seeing this other part, like not this part where we have these funny houses and the other bush part. It reminds me so much of my village, so I always just like standing here at this balcony and looking at this other bushy part. So I like the view. So guys, I'm finally up at the apartment and I'm outside. But I want to sneak on her and see how she will react. She's in the kitchen and the door is wide open. Imagine if thieves are coming, they're just going to gather everything and go with it. So I want to sneak up on her and see how she will react. The door is wide open. So guys, let's go. Are you all seeing the way she left the door open and went into the kitchen and she's just there cooking freely? And she gets scared easily. Watch her, will make her cry.
The Christ! No!
My sister is shouting you the craze.
You asking me? Why you don't make sound? I'm very bad time.
Ooh, something spicy. So my sister asked me to relax her hair, but she had to undo the cornrows that she had on her head. So I'm actually dancing for her. When she's undoing it, she decided to make me dance one of our traditional songs that I can't play it here for copyright purposes. So that's why I'm dancing like it's silent. So I'm trying to section the hair so that I can apply the product on it. This kind of takes some time to section it, because if you decide to put it all like without sectioning the hair, you might end up burning her hair at one part while the other part is not yet relaxed. So you need to section the hair, and when applying it, make sure that you don't apply it from the roots. You apply it midway, and after the application, now you can massage it, but it shouldn't touch the roots still. It's when you're combing the hair that you can now let it touch the roots, so that by then the product must have gone into the hairs, relax it for some time, and then when it touches the root, before you start feeling pains and all the effects that comes with the product, I'm sure by then the relaxer must have done its own work. I'm guessing I'm not a professional at this, but from what I know from my own experience with my hair, and I'm the one that always relaxes her hair, so I know that this is a procedure I always get to use. I'm protecting my hands from the product. I don't want it to damage my nails, my palms, because the product is so harsh. That's why I have this on. I don't have plastic gloves.
That's a nice
And steam my hand. see, guys, we secure the plastic paper with rubber bands. Guys, I'm done at my sister's place and I'm done doing her hair. Of course, it's getting dark, so I'm heading home. Though for my house to her place, it's not that far. But I like moving when places are still shining. I don't like darkness, so I'll be going. Let's go. The steps again. Now we're descending. It's not that bad like when we're climbing up. I told you guys I hate climbing steps. But it's not that bad going down. That's my lazy sister. Let's go, boo. Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Yeesh. Yeesh. Ooh. Yeesh. This one is nasty.
No.
Who's fun, boo? Say hi.
No.
Say hi, stupid.
No.
Guys, she's going to see me off and she's refusing to say hi to you guys. But anyway, it's okay. So noisy. So audacious. Change of plans, going to buy plantains. So,
Vamos, vamos. Vamos. Plantain how much? Oh, wow.